see your hands hanging.
Okay, so just follow me with me. This is Jake with LA Mobile Auto, and today we're helping out a neighbor. We have a 1983. What year we got here?
89.
We have a 1989 Toyota Camry. Hi, this is Jake with LA Mobile Auto. We have a 1989 Toyota Camry, and we're helping out a neighbor today. We took a ride in the car yesterday, and the steering wheel was shaking really bad, and they had a noise coming from underneath. So I was a little suspicious that there may be a loose front end part, and we've already found out this morning that it's a bad tire. But what we're going to do is we're going to investigate that a little bit further to find out exactly why this tire is bad. So I don't know if you can see this, but here's the bad tire. And if you've ever heard of a belt being separated in a tire, right here, this is the separation. And if you were to actually move your hands over this, you'd feel like what feels like a knot or an egg in the tire. So every time that tire rolls and that egg hits the ground, it's going to make the steering wheel do this. So at a high speed, what's going to happen is it's going to make the steering wheel shake rapidly back and forth. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the spare tire on today because it is a Sunday and there's nowhere we can get a tire today. So the customer will be able to drive the car, but we're also going to jack the front end up and find out what's causing the problem so this won't happen on a new tire. This is Jake with LA Mobile Auto, and we'll be back in a few minutes after we get the car up off the ground, and I'll show you how to check the front end.